How much is Elementor Pro? As of right now, it's August 14, 2023, and these are the prices for Elementor Pro. If you are just looking to do one website, then you can get it for $59 a year. If you're a more pro user and you're maybe an agency, a designer, a developer, or a marketer perhaps, and you want to offer Elementor to a lot of customers, or if you're building your own portfolio of sites, then you can upgrade to the Expert plan, which is 25 pro sites for $199 a year. Or if you're a heavy user and big agency and you want 1,000 pro websites, it's only $399 a year, I think. And there's another secret little plan here where it says get 3 pro website activations for 99 USD as well. If we click on that, then you can get 3 as well. So you can get 1 for $59, 3 for $99, 25 for $199, and 1,000 for $399. And all those plans include all of these things listed here. And I've been an Elementor Pro customer for many years, and I'm very happy. So if you're building a lot of websites, if you're a marketer, developer, designer, or an agency, then I think it's a really good investment, and you should be able to make back that investment a lot. So if you have any more questions about Elementor, feel free to ask.